In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and import contacts to a MailChimp audience from a file, step by step, so you can quickly upload your subscribers without doing everything manually. This is super helpful if you already have a contact list saved as a CSV, TXT, or spreadsheet file, and you want to get it into the right MailChimp audience fast and cleanly. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Once the page loads, sign into your MailChimp account using the email and password connected to your dashboard. After you log in, you'll land on the main MailChimp dashboard where you can manage your marketing tools, audiences, and campaigns. Now, on the left-hand menu, click Audience. This is where all of your contacts are stored. If you manage more than one audience, take a moment to choose the exact audience you want to import your contacts into. Picking the right audience is important because once the file is uploaded, those contacts will be added there directly. Next, look for the Add Contacts button on the Audience page and click it. A menu will appear with different ways to add subscribers, and this is where MailChimp gives you multiple import options depending on how your contact list is saved. From that menu, click Import Contacts. Then choose Upload a File. This option is the one you want if your contacts are already saved on your computer in a file format like CSV, TXT, or a supported spreadsheet file. MailChimp will now ask you to select the file from your device. Click Browse or Select File, depending on what you see on your screen. Find the contact file on your computer, click it once to highlight it, and then click Open. Make sure you select the correct file before moving forward, because the contacts in that file will be the ones imported into MailChimp. After the file is selected, click Continue. MailChimp will move you to the next step in the import process, where it starts checking the file and preparing the contact fields. Then click Continue again to confirm the next part of the upload. You may see another confirmation step, so click Continue one more time to keep moving through the import setup. If you reach a page with more details, scroll down carefully and click Continue again. This step-by-step process is normal in MailChimp, and it helps make sure your file is being imported correctly. Take your time here and review anything MailChimp shows you, especially if it is mapping columns or asking how the contacts should be handled. Once everything looks right, click Finalize Import. This tells MailChimp that you're ready to complete the upload and move the contacts into your audience. After that, click Complete Import to finish the process. MailChimp will now import the contacts from your file into the selected audience. When the import is complete, your contacts should appear in your MailChimp audience list. At that point, you can review them, segment them if needed, and start using them for your email marketing campaigns. And that's it. You've successfully added and imported contacts to a MailChimp audience from a file. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more MailChimp tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.